Have you ever dreamed of a place where ancient traditions meet modern thrills? Welcome to Japan, a world like no other. From thrilling sumo wrestling matches to exquisite cuisine, Japan offers unforgettable experiences for every type of traveler. Imagine exploring vibrant cities like Tokyo and Osaka, while uncovering Japan's hidden gems from ancient castles to stunning pagodas. Nagoya stands out as the ideal haven for TESOL students eager to dive deeply into Japan's culture and language. As Japan's fourth largest city, Nagoya strikes the perfect balance between affordability and immersive city life, away from Tokyo's hustle. Engage in a rich tapestry of activities ranging from Japanese cooking classes to martial arts training, all in one location. The Nagoya TEFL Training Center encourages cultural immersion through unique experiences like visits to historic attractions and language lessons. Throughout 4 unforgettable weeks, you'll gain invaluable skills and practical teaching experiences in the heart of Japan. Embark on this transformative journey today. Enroll and step into a world where your dreams can become reality.